Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the use of drones to efficiently and effectively soft wash and window clean a student housing facility. First, we'll be spraying a low pressure solution onto the areas where there are organic matter infestations. This is going to help kill off the root of the infestation and make it easier to just rinse off later. The drone then takes over and operates the low pressure washer, making sure that it covers all of the areas affected with the solution. After a few minutes of dwell time, the solution will start to break down the infested material, making it much easier to rinse off. Once the area is completely clean, the drone operator will take some time to check all the windows, making sure that they sparkle and shine. We hope that this demonstration has shown you how a drone can make soft washing and window cleaning much more efficient and effective for student housing facilities and large buildings of any kind. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Liberty Drones, the future of cleaning is now.